Well, welcome back, everyone. It looks like most of the snowfall is starting to wind down, and we are going to see most of that precipitation pressing off to the east and to the south. And lots of it is changing into rain right now, and it will continue to move away from our area. However, even with that said, there could be a possibility of a few flurries or maybe just a light snow shower, and then by tomorrow we're going to see improving conditions. But here's a look at the official snowfall totals across the area. In Hattiesburg, just to our south, about 5.8 inches. To our north, around 3.4 inches. And if you take a look, if you make your way to the north, in Bay Springs, about 7 inches. Quitman, around 4.4 inches. Prentice, 4.5. 6 inches from Columbia all the way to Natchez. So a lot of snow fell today, and it gave you the opportunity to make a lot of snowfall and just enjoy it. But as we make our way into the overnight, those temperatures will continue to drop, and so anything that's on the roadway, the moisture that's on the roadway, will turn into ice. So if you're going to be heading out and about in the overnight or even into early tomorrow, definitely keep that in mind, because you're going to encounter some slippery roads. Temperatures across the area, well, they're a lot cooler than they were yesterday, about 8 degrees cooler in Hattiesburg. Up in Meridian, about 11 degrees cooler than this time 24 hours ago. So our high temperatures across the area only in the 30s. In Laurel, 38 degrees. Over our area, 37. Macomb, around 34 degrees. So temperatures remain cold, and they are dropping at this time, and we're going to see those temperatures really bottom out into the 20s. So our future radar is showing most of the activity pressing off to the east, so clear conditions as we make our way into the early morning hours. And remember, it's going to be very cold, so you may encounter some ice if you are going to be heading out early Saturday morning. And then that cold air will stick around for much of the weekend as high pressure starts to build in from the west. We're going to be on the east side of it. That means the north winds will continue to prevail. However, as we make our way into early next week, milder air will start to take over, and so we're going to see a nice warm up as we head into early next week. But here's a look at what you can expect. Plenty of sunshine, slightly warmer tomorrow. Cold mornings is what we're expecting for the next few days, but mild afternoons, and then we're going to have another drop in temperatures as we make our way toward the middle part of next week. But tonight we're going to be flirting with those record lows. We drop down to around 23 degrees in Hattiesburg, 26 in Little Creek. In Rhodes, around 24 degrees, partly cloudy skies, but that will be clearing out. It's definitely going to be cold tomorrow. Temperatures around 48 degrees for the high tomorrow, so an improvement from today, about 10 degrees. Sanford around 46 degrees, and your 7-day forecast calls for temperatures warming up to around 60 degrees. More pleasant conditions as we head into early next week, and then staying in the 50s Tuesday and Wednesday, so those temperatures will drop down a little bit, but then we'll go back into the 60s by the end of next week. So, you know, it's going to be cold tonight, definitely flirting with those record lows, but then it's going to start to improve a little bit each day.
Never thought I'd be happy to see lows in the upper 30s.
Right?
Thanks, Kim.